So another day, another vlog. And currently, nakikita ko na si Sonal Masi dito na nag-harvest ng mga eggplant or ringer kung tawagin nila. Puche, Sonal Masi? Ringer. So ayan, nag-harvest si Sonal Masi ng ringer. And tingnan nyo naman, napakalaki nito. Ako, anong haro siya? Jano haro? Jano jatira yitle? Sak ba na? So kumuha si Sonal Masi sa likuran ng bahay namin ng fresh na eggplant para lutuin for Jano kasi pupunta na si Jano sa sa apartment niya. So aalis na siya and nawawala na to oh. Konti na lang yung binibigay niyang vegetable. So nahati-hati na natin itong mga eggplant guys. And nandito naman is yung tuwer na tinatawag nila. So yan yung pagkain na lulutuin natin for today. And right over here, yung bakri na ginawa ko, okay na rin siya. So this time guys, puro bakri yung ginagawa namin since medyo nagsasawa na yung mga tao dito sa Rotli. Meron silang ginawa dito, jalarang baka.
Jalarang na dasang karyaw.
Hi everyone! So, papunta kami ngayon sa Rajpipla Market because we'll be buying some merienda, some snacks or parekas, they call it dito, mga chichirya. Because me and Doc Milan,
We will go traveling!
so it's been a while that we didn't travel, Hana Milan, right?
Yes.
It's been a while that we didn't travel because we've been busy with work, medicine field and all, vlogging. So ngayon, it's our time to shine. So me and Doc Milan will be going for 1 week travel or parva as they call it. And bibili na tayo ng mga chichirya na kakailanganin natin while we are doing driving.
Chichirya while doing chismisa.
Chichirya while doing chismisa daw. So while eating chichirya, we'll be doing chismis. Chismoso to. Di ba chismoso ka?
Ako, chismoso!
Chismoso si Doc Milan. Hindi nyo lang halata. Ayan, balitaan ko kayo later. We'll update you. So, nagpunta nga kami dito sa tindahan kung saan madalas kaming namimili. And dahil magta-travel kami ni Doc, bibili daw kami ng mga snacks. Guys, so dito kami bibili. Milan, what are you planning to buy? Bungra? I want to buy bungra. So, ganyan guys, bili na tayo ng pagkain natin. So, they're packing it here. So, meron silang mori papri, tiki papri, and they will be packing it. Jimjam manek how? Jimjam manek. Niche. Yan guys, natikman ko ito kay Jano. No, Milan, from the moment I tasted it.
Very good biscuit.
Meron siyang strawberry inside.
You get the big one.
But small one na. You won't be able to eat everything. What if you don't want to eat anymore? Small one also get.
Bus take it.
Oreo? For you?
Huh?
For you? They have also hide and seek and fantasy. What do you want? Let's buy some Indian snacks like bungra, something
Yes,
like
I
that.
will. I want white Oreo first.
Which one you want? Oreo here, Oreo baby.
No, white, yes. Like
Oreo. Take a lot because it's
No.
7 days, right?
Okay.
We'll be needing a lot.
Let's see.
They have this Born Vita and Marie.
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
Are you eating it?
Yes. Let's go and buy.
Let's see.
So, meron silang mga Maggies dito.
You like TikTok on?
Nana. Yes. TikTok. Olo in TikTok. TikTok karo while driving. Nana. Apollo.
Follow it. Sabi alay.
Dekaro. So, bumibili din kami ng mga
Only ang main for it. Sari tignan niyo.
Mentos na ti, Mentos. Tagal kasi kaming magpupunta for vacation. So, kailangan namin ng napakaraming breakfast. Right, Milan? In case we don't have the time to eat
Yes, and
breakfast.
we can always eat it in car.
So, ayun. Bumibili din kami ng mga pagkain. Milan, amla candy. How
No.
tame? You don't like? Bili tayo ng ano guys, bili tayo ng bungra. Huh? What is that? Digestives.
Yeah. If you eat 3 or 4, you will gonna poop a lot.
If you're not doing that thing. Ito naman guys yung mga Gujarati snacks, yung mga pagkain na ano, na last time bumili ako ng ganito, pero gusto ko yung merong flavor, yung medyo maanghang, so yung nasa dulo. Milan, buy this bungra, the spicy one, it's very good. Yan, that one. They have also kuwa here, biscuits, yung mga joystick.
Did you ever tasted this one?
Let me see.
You're not fond of eating bungra?
Yes, I like bungra. Let's go and put this one also. Sala?
Same to same.
What about chickpea? Ari Milan. How?
Nah.
No? It doesn't taste good without tomato and all, no?
Aliwalas.
Hot Layla na. Strawberry. Bus. Ayan, bili tayo ng strawberry biscuits.
Biju.
What do you call this one, Milan?
Chana.
Chana. So, ayan, meron silang chana dito. Hindi ko lang sure. Meron parang bilitog sa atin.
Ay, yes.
Mungkin daw na. Papaharo. Ariyan. Yan, this one.
Karsing.
Karsing. Salty nuts. Let's go. Finish, done?
Yes.
Ayan, ang dami na yung binili guys. Let's go and pay it now. Guys, after some time, mamikidli diwasya, chalwaj gyapra. Go diwasya. So, naglalakad kami ngayon ni mommy. Since nanonood kami ng match. Match yan eh. Kantari Joy Manas ba? Naibarabar ramye. I mean, hindi sila naglalaro ng maayos. Manig match pon. Naibarabar ramye ba? So, maaga silang naging wicket. I don't know if you can understand me, pero nagki-cricket kasi sila. So, sa cricket, maaga silang na wicket. So, alabada na yung mastaramye finals maaje. Ito Papa Bija Tiray. Pati si Milan umalis, pati si father-in-law umalis. And, apra beche ne, chalwagya. So, wala nang nanood ng match, wala nang nagtapos. Apra kay ano ba, Jum? Chokri. So, maglalakad kami ni Mommy for one hour, I think. Mag-burn lang ng fats. And then, babalik na kami sa bahay. Since, para kitchen ba na do already. At levanto na yun eh. Thank you. So, wala na kaming kailangan lutuin. Wala na kaming kailangan lutuin pa sa bahay. Ready na lahat. So, nag-exercise na lang kami ni Mommy. So, balitaan ko kayo mamaya. Sino yung nakita natin? Kay Chayla tame. Chalo dat panipuri khao. Chalo? Chalo? Kay gyata mami eh. Dukan eh. Hukam. Kasulewano. Okay. So, papunta si Sonal Masi para bumili ng, I think, hindi namin natanong, pero meron siyang bibilin. Hukach? Napag-isipan namin ni Mami na kumain ng panipuri. Panipuri kayo sa apra? Egg bag guys. So, kain kami ng 10 to 20 rupees lang na panipuri.
Hoy, mag-subscribe ka. Wag puro nood.